that chick gon' come. Bunch of red cups and some bad chicks. What I got up in these pants, you can have this. But if you catch me on a spliff, I don't pack. I only gets down the chick if she a bad bitch. So come push my buttons. I only hit it once, I don't call for nothing. You got a glass, every bottle's by the dozen. Ain't to tell your chick I does. Ready or not, tell him here I come. That girl Rosie, I'm not. I bet that chick gon' come. Ready or not, tell him here I come. That girl Rosie, I'm not. I bet that chick gon' come.
I got your girl yelling Mr. Roboto. I got your girl yelling Mr. Roboto. I got your girl yelling Mr. Roboto. I got your girl yelling Mr. Roboto.
Ready or not, tell him here I come. That girl Rosie, I'm not. I bet that chick gon' come. My buttons, I only hit it once, I don't call for nothing. You got a glass, every bottle's by the dozen. Ain't to tell your chick I does. Ready or not, tell him here I come. That girl Rosie, I'm not. I bet that chick gon' come. Ready or not, tell him here I come. That girl Rosie, I'm not. I bet that chick gon' come.
I got your girl yelling Mr. Roboto. I got your girl yelling Mr. Roboto.
I bet that chick gon' come.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same, gave you another name, switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would say no place I'd rather be. Yeah.